Hello everyone, let's look at Leetcode question 136, single number. So in this question we're given a non-empty array of integers nums, and every element appears twice, except for one, and we need to find this single one and return it. So we got to implement a solution in linear runtime complexity and use only constant extra space. Okay, this makes it a little more difficult because we cannot do the counter method now, which will take extra space. So what is a solution that we can come up with that will satisfy these conditions? Well, it's a little bit non-intuitive, but let's look at it. And also the constraints are that the length of the nums is somewhere between 1 and 30k, and the values themselves are negative 30 to positive 30,000, and each element in the array appears exactly once except for one element. Alright. Okay, to solve this problem, we need to find the single numbers in a list where every element appears twice, except for one element, as we have described here. We utilize the AND or bitwise operation, which has the unique property we need. When it is applied to the same number twice, it cancels out and returns 0. No matter the order, if you have two numbers, they're going to cancel out. So we initialize variable answer to 0, and we loop through each number g in the nums list. Then for each number in the list, we perform the AND or operation between current value of answer and the current number g. Answer equals g and or ands. Since and oring a number with itself results in 0, when a number appears twice, it effectively cancels out due to the AND or operation. And then finally, with the remaining value in answer, after all the AND operations in the single number appear only once in the list, the unique number doesn't get canceled out and remains in answer, so we can simply return it. So, in this first example, we have nums 1, 2, 1, so we start the code. Initialize answer to 0 and or operation 2. Therefore, this is what the operation looks like. The binary of 0 is all zeros, and the binary of 2 is 0, 0, 1, 0. This results in number 2. Next value is 1, so 1 bitwise 2. This results in value 3. And the final value is 2. So remember we had a previous 2 value, therefore 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, and 0, 0, 1, 1, 3. AND or operation results in 1, which is the only value that we had without repeating values. This is what makes AND or very useful. We return 1. This is for the first example, number 1. In the second example, we have a longer array, same concepts. Start with 0, AND or operation 1. This results in answer equal 1. Next, 1 AND or 2, answer is 3. 4 AND or 3 results in 7. And then 7 AND or 2 results in 5. And then finally 5 AND or operation 1 results in 4. So as you can see, no matter the order, as long as you have only one operation, one number that does not repeat twice, it will be revealed using the AND or operation because all the other numbers will cancel out. Alright, let's look at the code again. Okay, let's run the code as we said and explained. Here's the initial value ands. We loop through every number and we do the AND or operation starting with 0 to cancel out all values until there's only one left. Submit. Alright, sweet, and it works. It has an excellent runtime and memory, and that is because the time complexity is O of n, where n is the length of the input list numbers, and this is because we iterated through each element in the list once. And now the space complexity is O of 1 because we only use a constant amount of extra space to store the answer. That's it for this question. Thank you for watching.